Hey everyone, Mr. Bubbas here. My dad is teaching me how to mint and dryer. He's teaching me you have to clean the lint trap and clean the dryer. But more importantly, every 6 months or so, you have to clean the dryer vent.
What's the first thing you do?
You have to turn off the gas.
Okay. Go ahead.
First, you have to turn this.
Yep, right there. See, when it's to the side, what does that mean?
It means off.
How do you remember it? Because going with it, it's like the flow. If it's blocking it,
Like if it's blocking, that means it's off.
it's like a wall. Remember it that way. It's like a wall blocking.
First, we're gonna inspect the dryer to see if anything's damaged.
Alright, so any cracks or anything?
If you do need a new one, you can just take off the old one, bring it to your local Home Depot or Lowe's and say, I need one of these.
And then what do you do with the brush?
And then you want to dust out this part for
And then inside of the vent.
you.
Okay?